Trying to find used engines for sale in Georgia? Has your automobile seen far better times? Tired of making telephone calls, sending emails, or driving to wrecking yards only to find yourself empty-handed? Are you sick and tired with dealing with fraudsters attempting to sell you engines that are only good as coffee tables? Let us help you purchase quality used engines from a network of junkyards in Georgia. With only one simple form submission made from our website, you're going to immediately get in touch with our network of wrecking yards and engine importers. After they respond with pricing, simply choose the best quotation. Whether you need a diesel engine or a gasoline engine, we are here to help you find quality used engines quickly. Click the link below to visit our website to start getting quotes from our supplier network.